Enhancing SCADA security over long-distance communications. Hi everyone, welcome back to SCADA and Beyond with Alana. Recently we've been talking about how SCADA systems help manage work over long distances. These systems are super important because they keep industries running smoothly, whether it's sending data across big areas or controlling equipment far away. Today, we're focusing on something really important: keeping these systems safe. Security isn't just something extra. It's what makes sure everything works right and prevents big problems from happening. Think of your SCADA network like a city with roads connecting all the important places. These roads help everything move smoothly, just like SCADA systems keep data and operations flowing. Now imagine if those roads weren't safe. What if they had potholes or random cars causing traffic jams? That would cause a lot of problems, right? The same thing happens with SCADA systems if they aren't secure. A weak spot doesn't just mess up one part. It can cause problems everywhere. That's why keeping these systems safe is so important. Even small mistakes can lead to big issues. Making these systems secure isn't always easy. Sometimes there's not much bandwidth to work with, or the devices are old and hard to update. There's also the risk of someone messing with the signals. It's tricky because you have to keep the system working well while also protecting it from threats. This takes both smart planning and good technical skills. But here's the good news. There are ways to keep things safe. One way is to encrypt your communications. That's like putting checkpoints on the roads to make sure only the right people can pass through. Another idea is to split your network into zones, kind of like dividing a city into neighborhoods. This helps contain problems if something does go wrong. Another important step is to watch for anything unusual. It's like using security cameras to see what's going on and catch problems early. Also, don't forget to protect the devices themselves. A lot of these are in faraway places, which makes them easier targets for someone to steal or mess with. You can keep them safe by putting them in strong cases, setting up cameras to watch them, and checking on them often to make sure everything is okay. So, what's the big takeaway? Keeping long-distance SCADA systems secure is super important. These systems help industries work the way they're supposed to, so we can't ignore their safety. Using tools like encryption to protect messages, dividing networks into smaller zones, and keeping a close watch for any problems can really help. Taking these steps isn't just about avoiding trouble. It's about making sure your system works well and stays trustworthy in the future. What are you doing to keep your SCADA systems safe? Whether it's cool encryption ideas, smart ways to monitor activity, or lessons you've learned, I'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments so we can all learn together. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on OT security. I've got lots more to share.